Did you know that AI can create realistic fake faces, deepfake videos, and even sell art for $40,000, all without a human ever painting it? Today, we're diving into generative adversarial networks, the AI technology that fights like a gladiator to create stunning art and solve complex problems. By the end of this video, you'll understand GANs at 5 different levels, from kids to seniors, and see how they're shaping our future. Imagine you're training a pet to do tricks. You show it what you want, and it tries to copy you. That's how AI learns too. In GANs, one AI tries to create something, like a picture, and the other AI tries to guess if it's real or fake. They keep playing this game until the creator AI gets so good, the critic AI can't tell the difference. Just like a pro artist and a pro critic. But how does the computer actually learn? Let's go deeper. You've probably used AI without knowing it. Like when TikTok suggests videos you'll love, or your phone finishes your sentences. These AI systems learn from patterns and data. The more data they see, the better they get at predicting what you like. GANs take this a step further by using 2 AI models, one that creates and one that criticizes, to push each other to improve. This process can generate fake faces, deepfake videos, and even create art that sells for $40,000 at auction. Now let's see what's actually happening inside the neural network. At the heart of GANs are 2 neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, that battle it out to improve. The generator creates images, while the discriminator tries to determine if they're real or fake, using loss functions to measure success. Training GANs is computationally expensive and requires large datasets, sometimes millions of images, to avoid overfitting. Engineers must also manage issues like bias in training data and ensure the AI doesn't just copy existing works, but creates something new. Careers in AI research, machine learning, and data science are growing fast, and GANs are at the cutting edge. But the real impact goes far beyond the technology itself. GANs are transforming industries, from healthcare to finance, by automating tasks and creating new opportunities. But with power comes responsibility. Issues like bias, privacy, and deepfakes are now major ethical concerns. Over 10 million fake images are created daily using GANs, and it's hard to tell what's real and what's not. Businesses are using GANs to generate marketing content, but this raises questions about authenticity and trust. And now, the perspective only time can give. AI has come a long way since Alan Turing first asked, "Can machines think?" From the AI winters of the 1970s to the breakthroughs of the 2010s, we've seen how far AI can go, and how much further it might go. Just like the internet and electricity, AI is reshaping what it means to be human, and what it means to be intelligent. What will future generations think of our AI? Will they see it as a tool, a partner, or something else entirely? And scientists still can't explain why some GANs create such beautiful art, but maybe that's part of the mystery. Which level changed how you think about generative adversarial networks? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI.